Good afternoon, guys. Look, today once again I am here in the Laoti bridge. Look, guys, water is subsided everywhere. Look, guys, so many people are coming to fishing fish. Boro and Adivasi all togetherly collected fish at this Laoti river, and it is popularly known as Sampavoti irrigation canal, guys. Look, and this place is located in under the Chirang district, guys. If you really want to fishing fish, then come and fish at this time. Water is protected now, guys. That's why lot of fish collecting, guys. Look, some people are netting. Look, guys, so many people are busy to the catching fish. नोंथांमोना फैनो हागोन बे टाइमाव दा लाउटिखौ हाइड्र पावारखौ प्रोटेक्टेड खालामबाय मेल्ला मानसिफ्रा ना कालेक्टिं खालामगासिनो दङ नोंथांमोना फैनोबा क्विकलि फैनो हागोन बर' आदिबासि गासिबो नै अल टुगेदार बाहाय ना दा कालेक्टिं खालामगासिनो दङ माखासे फ्राय मोनबायानो फासि लागायसे बाबु তোমার ছাতাল ফাঁসা দিয়া কি কয় ফাঁসি লাগাওয়াতে কি কয় হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা ঠিক লোক পুরা এক্সপার্ট না মাস্টারাত এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আছে না নাই হি হ্যাজ এ লট অফ এক্সপিরিয়েন্স কি নাম তোর বাবু হ্যাঁ বিমল টুডু ওয়াও লোক হিজ নেম ইজ বিমল টুডু লোক গাইস and he is one of my best friend. Every day I collected fish from this river in the early morning. Look, guys, they all are the fish supplier for me in the early morning. Look, guys, लाउटिखौ थेबाय guys बे टाइमाव दा आंबो दंफैयो लाउटियाव आङो ना लांनो फैदोंमोन बाट दा बे टाइमाव आंबो ना थेनायखौ लोगो मोनबाय नायदो this is the traditional technique for the catching fish. Look, guys, they all are the Adivasi people. Oi, फासि जाला ना नाय ओ बंधु फासि जाला ना नाय आंदिबा लागे they have lot of experience, guys. Look, they know how to catch fish. Look, guys, water is subsided everywhere. Look, pura fisla ase. What a slippery, man. Look, this is the one kind of traditional technique for the Adivasi people, and all other Adivasi people are inhabitant for this place. Look, guys. Oh, bundu asi jal mara nai. Parse. Look, this is the limutra lot. Wow, it will be slippery. If I will slip, I will fall down, and otherwise lot of happen injuries, guys. Look, so many people are busy catching fish at this time because look, water is subsided everywhere, guys. Look, protected now, guys. Look, what a beautiful, guys. Look, so many beautiful flash you will get to see around this place, guys. Look, and this place is known as Laoti, and every week this Laoti river is protected by the department. Look, guys, Sabo এতিয়া সুকান লাহে সুকান ওপর যাব look ওখানে বালি থাকবো রে look they are the very expert woman. Look, guys, they are the Adivasi women. They are very expert and they know how to collecting fish. তোমার ভাষা দিয়ে হাকু কয় না মাছটো হাকু. Look, guys, furkojobay now. Look, guys, this is erosion by the water. Look, guys, look. Sali mundraka suci. Look, so many people are busy, guys. Lot of fish collecting. Oh, pasi jala he ani balage. Look guys, this is the one kind of traditional technique for the fishing fish, and they know how to catching fish. This is the netting technique for the catching fish. After half an hour, here you will get to see lot of fish will have fun, guys. At this net, look. Oh, fish la kabo. Look. Lot of fish collecting, guys. Look. What a beautiful moment. And this time I am really happy to see how they are collecting fish with the net and pasijal also. Look, what a big stone you will get. And these all stones are very slippery, guys. Look, if I suppose slip, then I will be fallen heaven, guys. And lot of injuries happen in my bodies. Look, guys. Look, so many Adivasi people all together collected fish with a different style. Some people are collected fish with the net, and some people are collecting fish with the hands by using different techniques trapping. Some people are using polo and different style. Look, guys. Look, so many beautiful place also you will get to see around this place. And if you really want to see the catching fish at this time, then come and see here in the laoti. Wow, so many crowded people, guys. Look, they are very busy for the catching fish. Lot of they are fish collecting. Look, after 10 or 15 minutes in between they will get lot of fish from this river. The water is becoming so dry up. Slowly it is becoming so dry up, and water is subsided everywhere. Look, guys. Look, this is the Adivasi boy, and he is my one of the best friend. Look, lagi se ke babu mas তোমার ভাষা দিয়ে কি কয় জাল দিয়া মাছ মারাটো হাকু হাকু কি কয় কি নাম তোর হ্যাঁ আন্দ্রিয়াস থুডু কি আচ্ছা লোক তোর কি নাম বন্ধু হ্যাঁ সঞ্জয় আর তোর নাম কি বন্ধু মঙ্গল মঙ্গল থুডু না সোরেন হেমব্রম look, his name is Mongol Hembrom, and he is one of my best friend, and he has a lot of experience about how to collecting fish. Look, guys. Oh, pani to dangar hoise na. Look, paise na phonai. Look, they are the Adivasi women. They also have lot of experience, and they know how to catching fish with the net. Look, ki naam to didi? Huh? তোমার কি নাম Look, guys, he is not telling her name because he is lot of people, guys. Look, water is becoming so heavy at this time again, unprotected this river. Look, wow, the speed of water is very high. Look, guys, दैखौ बन्द खालामफिननायखौ बन्द खालामनायखौ हगारफिनबाय दैया फुरा देरबाय. Look, guys, the water is becoming so speed. Look, guys, water, wow. Look, guys, look, दैया danger speed, guys. Wow, danger speed. Wow, for the first time today I crossing the laoti river. Look, what a speed water, man. Look, tuli lai nagera. Look, guys, for the first time I am crossing this laoti river. Look, guys, wow, what a speed. Look, guys, oh, danger speed. Anyway, guys, thank you till then, bye.